the time.
Good morning. It's the Star FM Breakfast Quiz. My name is Yasha Mandimutsira and we're at it again on a Thursday. Good morning to our guests, realtors, merchants, real estate. Did I say that right?
Yes,
Good morning. How are you?
we are fine.
Can you introduce your team?
Yes, I am Nobeta Chikanyire, the director and principal registered agent. With me is Mr. Milton Due, our property consultant, Anis Charuka, Stemblema Kunye, all property consultants.
All right. Good to have you guys. Are you Team A or Team B?
We are Team A.
All right. That makes a Breakfast Club our Team B. Okay. Are we ready, Breakfast Club?
100%. Let's go.
All right. So Team A, realtors, merchants, real estate. Right. Your question is like this. Listen carefully. In which province do you find Chikomba district?
Is that us?
No.
Mashonaland East.
The answer I'm looking for is Marsh West. All right. Breakfast Club. In which province do you find the district of Umguza? Yes, you're Team B. Yes, they're Team A. You're Team B. What's happening today? Really?
Come again. Matabele and South.
The answer I'm looking for is Matt North, actually. Yes, yes. Realtors, merchants, your question, Anditi. In which African country do you find the Volta River? Realtor merchants, your question. In which country do you find the Volta River?
Nigeria. Niger.
Ghana is the answer I am looking for. Breakfast Club, your question. In which African country do you find the Orange River?
Sorry, say that again.
In which country do you find the Orange River?
Ivory Coast.
The answer I'm looking for is Mzanza Africa, South Africa.
Really?
Yes. All right.
looking at orange.
Realtor merchants, your question. In which, what was the name of the battle early in World War II that pitted the German Air Force against the British Air Force? What? What was the name of the battle early in World War II that pitted the German Air Force against the British Air Force? Realtor merchants? Your story. Yes, World War II. The answer I am looking for is Battle of Britain. Breakfast Club, what was the famous battle tactic used by the Germans in World War II?
I can tell you it's not cowhole formation. It's not cowhole formation. I am happy to leave it at that.
So come again, please.
Come again.
What was the famous battle tactic used by the Germans in World War II? Do you have an answer, guys?
Divide and conquer.
No, it's fine. Divide and conquer.
The answer I am looking for is Blitzkrieg.
Also, we have a correction. Team A got their first question correct.
Yes.
Chikomba district is found in Marsh East.
It's in Midlands.
It's Marsh
It's
East.
moved. It's Midlands.
Pardon?
It
It's
used
Marsh
to
East.
be-
There's a
Hold
lot
on.
of
It
devolution
used
that
to be
happened.
Mashonaland
Uh-huh.
East, and now it's the Midlands.
So
So they don't have.
double.
All right,
correct.
so we were with Breakfast Club. Your answer is Blitzkrieg.
Yeah,
right?
Blitzkrieg. Yeah, thank you.
Yes,
Yeah.
you got that
Oi.
wrong.
You got that
Uh,
correct.
no, you got that wrong because you didn't answer.
We said.
No, you
We
didn't.
said.
Anyway.
It's not cowhole
But-
formation.
Yes, but it's not. You didn't
We
say
made a
Blitzkrieg.
submission.
No, you said it's. You
We had a clue. Like,
All right, realtors merchants. Your question: which Zimbabwean soapy was named after a color?
Ah, yeah.
Tantina Nasika.
yellow card.
So
Yellow
Zimbabwean soapy was named after a color. The answer I'm looking for is Estate Blues. Breakfast Club.
He stayed.
Who
Guys.
produced the popular soapy Amakorokoza?
I know snake.
And who
Restaurant
produced?
by.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Restaurant by.
Thank you.
The answer I'm looking for
could be the winner. Thank
Kont Mhlanga.
you. We're far off.
All right, realtors, merchants, your question. Name one of the James Bond films starring Sean Connery named after a precious mineral.
Come
Oh,
on.
man.
Name one of the James Bond films starring Sean Connery named after a precious mineral.
I wish we were team A.
Vana ngavasathi funze vomwe Siyalini. We are not qualified.
Diamonds.
We are not qualified.
What's your answer, guys?
Diamonds said.
Diamonds are serious. Let's continue.
The answer I'm looking for was between Goldfinger and Diamonds Are Forever.
You're close.
All right, Breakfast Club. Name the James Bond film that introduced Pierce Brosnan in the title role.
Yangena Haley Berry.
Ah, finished.
What's it called? No. Yangena Haley Berry.
Do you guys have an answer? Right. The answer I'm looking for is none other than Golden Eye. Yes. All right. Realtors Merchant, your question. In
How's it
which
looking?
country do you find a Parthenon?
0-0. So we're level.
Realtors Merchants, your question. In which country do you find the Parthenon?
It's half-time.
Give us.
Unfortunately, we don't have clues. The
halftime.
Parthenon. Come up with the country, guys. Let's go.
It's half-time, guys. It's half-time. Nil at half-time.
The answer I am looking for is Greece. That's where you find a Parthenon. All right, breakfast. Breakfast Club, yours is coming. In which country do you find the Colosseum?
I beg your pardon?
Colosseum.
Yes, in which country do you find the Colosseum?
It has to be Greece. It has to be Greece. Greece.
Now we'll go with Chris for this one.
The answer I'm looking for is Italy.
That's it close.
All right, realtor
60
merchants,
minutes into
what
it, huh?
does radar stand for? Realtor merchants, your question. What does radar stand for?
Radar.
Yeah, say my phone pass.
Radar.
Say my
R-A-
phone pass.
Phone up for me.
Say my phone pass.
R-A-D-A-R. Radar. What does radar stand for?
To win it, guys. One correct one may win it.
Direction.
Direction.
Position.
That's your final answer. The answer I'm looking for is radio detection and ranging. Breakfast Club, what does LIDAR stand for?
Let's go, Mozi. Let's have it. Let's have it, Mozi. This is your moment. Amina, keep your answer here, radar. What does radar mean?
Radio detection and ranging.
So light.
Yeah, light detection and range.
Okay. Time, guys. Realtors merchants, your question. Which African country held elections this week?
This week.
Malawi.
Correct. Breakfast Club, who is the prime suspect in Charlie Kirk's assassination?
The young man.
Rob.
I was thinking
No, it's Tyler Robson.
It is indeed Tyler Robson. All right, realtor merchants, your question. What is the ultimate prize in ice hockey?
Now 2-1.
The answer is the Stanley Cup. Breakfast Club, in golf, what does the green jacket represent?
The Open. The winner. The winner where... No. The winner where... The winner watch where
World title. World title. US Open. Say something.
US Open.
Finish.
Not the-
Okay.
This was the Open.
It's winning the Masters tournament at the Augusta National Golf Club.
Okay, so it's a tie because question number 1, Chikomba district is indeed found in Marsh East.
Are you sure about that?
So it's a tie.
Total Energies is giving one lucky fan 2 tickets to the Total Energies CAF AFCON 2025 in Morocco. Buy one